Mga katanungan na dapat nating malaman bago tayo magnegosyo. Ang napakahalaga na tanungin mo sarili mo, marunong ka ba mag-marketing? And when you talk about marketing, marketing is not selling. Iba po yung selling and marketing. Bago ka makabenta, kailangan matuto ka muna mag-market. And if I want to talk about marketing, ang ibig sabihin po ng marketing yan, it's called awareness. Starting today, I want to challenge you when you hear the word called marketing, dapat ang pumapasok sa'yo is awareness. Another word for awareness is attention. How can you create attention? Para malaman ng tao that your product and service exists. So, wala pang buying point yan kasi nagpapakilala ka lang eh. Diba? Like for example, diba? Kunyari, ikaw, lalaki ka, may nagustuhan kang isang babae. Diba? Siyempre, anong gagawin mo to market yourself? Maliligo ka, magsisipilyo ka, magpapapagong ka, magpapapogi ka. Diba? Ang tawag niyan ay marketing. And then after that, syempre naman, ang next goal mo, kung may nagustuhan ka, kailangan, syempre, magpakilala ka. Diba? Magpakilala ka. Pag